welcome back to Ellen Beauty. If you are new to my channel, my name is Leah, and today we are going to be going over my travel makeup bag. This may seem excessive, but I kind of pack excessive, so yeah. Yeah, for the month of August, we traveled to Waco, Austin, and the Dallas-Fort Worth area. I had so much fun. We explored all over the best parts of those cities. Yeah, I highly recommend a trip to Waco. I highly recommend a trip to Austin, Dallas-Fort Worth. I loved it all. So it was fun to kind of explore a part of Texas that I've never actually been able to other than maybe an airport. But let's dig in. This big makeup bag my husband gifted to me. This is Kate Spade. It comes in a pack of 2. This, if you want, can go right in there. But what I like to do is this small bag right here, I like to place all my brushes in. My makeup bag here has 2 compartments, and it is deep enough so that if you have a product that you really need to travel a little bit more with it standing up, it has room to do so. So I like that. If I can find this bag, I will link it down below, but let's dig into my travel makeup bag. First of all, I always bring a cleansing balm. This is the Farmacy Green Clean. This is by far the best cleansing balm I have ever used. What I like about this is it does have a little spatula right here that you aren't using your fingers to dig out this product every time. You do have a little spatula, so it keeps it nice and sanitized. This will melt off any makeup from waterproof to really hardcore makeup, that liquid lipstick, anything like that. This will melt it right away. I love this stuff. I also like to bring a moisturizer. This right here is the Clinique Moisture Surge Day Cream. This is so comfortable. I talk about this all the time. I did get this nice big size. I take it around everywhere with me, especially on travel since it is a little bit more compact. I have more room for other items. This is a great cream for day and night. I bring deodorant. I am currently using the Degree Motion Sense. I like this stuff. I think it works really well. Can't really say more about deodorant. Combo that I use best for foundation for a very hot climate day, especially when it is, 105 outside, where you really are not outside most of the day. You're really getting from your car to that location, or maybe you are out in the shade. So the best way that I like to kind of go against that is I use these 3 products right here. These are so good, all 3 put together. I Soft Focus Glow. This adds a little bit of glow from within kind of a look. It is beautiful. I have talked about this again before. This is also in my no makeup look. I will link that down below as well. Do 1 pump of this, 1 pump of the Drunk Elephant D-Bronzi Anti-Pollution Drops. This is great. This gives you a natural bronze look, adds a little bit of a deeper tone to your skin tone without it being very dark here, very white here. It's very natural. Drunk Elephant products are full of phenomenal skincare products. And then I finished with my Missha Perfect Cover BB Cream. This is a beautiful product. It has SPF of 42, so that is good in that really hot climate, sunny days. A drop of everything. I kind of blend it all together and use my fingers to move everything around. This gives me a perfect base for an everyday travel day. I will always pack my L'Oreal sponge. I use this for not only foundation, but for cream bronzer, cream blushes, blending everything together. Broken record, I love this thing so much. So this will always come with me. Talking about cream products, I will always carry a cream bronzer and a cream blush. Our Beauty Blush Balm in Pinch is a go-to. Wet n Wild Contour Stick is if you want your makeup look to really stay in place when it is super hot outside. Always start with a cream product and layer it on with a powder product just to kind of lock that product into place. These are my go-to powder products for bronzer and for blush. This is the Just Blush from LA Girl, Bare Minerals Invincible Bronze. This is Fair to Light. These are great for my skin tone personally. The blush has a nice sheen to it, so you don't necessarily need a highlighter. I just think these are wonderful products, and like I said, layer it on top of a liquid product that will lock everything into place, make sure it won't budge or anything like that. I do bring 2 concealers with me when I travel. I like to bring my NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer, and I like to bring my Covergirl Trublend Undercover Concealer. I use these both for different purposes. My NARS one is great for covering up any hyperpigmentation or any blemishes. The Covergirl one is wonderful for underneath the eyes. It kind of brightens it up, kind of makes you feel a little bit more alive. This one blends like a dream. They are great products. They will always go with me. I tend to not bring a lot of eyeshadow with me when I travel. I like to keep my look pretty minimal. I will always use this Clinique pretty easy liquid eyelining pen, particularly this one right here. This one dries down very quickly. It also dries down nice and matte, so it's not going to budge. This has gone through 100+ degree weather without me kind of looking like I have raccoon eyes. This is always a must. Always go right into my Essence Lash Princess. This is the False Lash Effect, specifically the green one. I forgot about my primers. I do take 2 primers with me. This is the Peter Thomas Roth Skin to Die For No Filter Mattifying Primer. I like to use it around my nose and around my mouth. It kind of fills any kind of fine lines. Smooths out the canvas before you add just a little bit of foundation. Or I use my Milk Hydro Grip Primer if I want my makeup to really stay in place all day long, my foundation to stick to my skin and not budge. I like to bring also a eyebrow product. This is the IT Cosmetics Brow Powder. Quick, it's easy, it's foolproof. I just like it and it works every time, so this comes with me every time I travel. I did only bring 1 lipstick with me. This is the Bobbi Brown, the Crush Lip Color in Babe. This went with all of the clothing I brought. I like to bring my L'Oreal Lumi Shake and Glow Dew Mist. Also a nice little tip that I like to use with this kind of product is my sponge, and when I'm doing my concealer, I'll wet my sponge a little bit with this product and use that to blend out my concealer, and it gives it a really quick and easy blend, but also a very nice glowy touch to it. At night, I will always bring my LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask. I use this every single night. I tend to have dry lips at night, so a little light layer of this on top of the lips will wake up with a lot more nourished lips, a lot more comfortable, less dry. This goes with me everywhere I go. For hair, I like to bring a dry shampoo and a heat protectant spray. Amika Perk Up Dry Shampoo. This shampoo is a little bit more on the natural side. It absorbed all my oils. It left my hair feeling a little bit more lush, a bit more volumized when needed. It worked great. It did the job. It's just a good dry shampoo. This is the Hot Toddy by Drybar, the Before Ironing Heat Protectant Mist. This stuff is really good. I spray a little bit of it on before I would put like iron through my hair or curling iron through my hair, or throughout the day, kind of like right now where it is a little bit on the frizzy end. I'll just take a little bit of this and spray it. Adds a little bit of shine, helps with humidity. I really like the smell of it too. I bring some ponytails. These are little ones from Sephora. They have pretty thick hair. It's naturally pretty thick, pretty wavy. Sometimes ponytails will break on me, or I won't get much of a hold, a tight hold that I'm looking for. These kind of ones right here do the job. This last little tip I have for when you are traveling with any kind of makeup is to take a trip to Sephora. Sephora, no matter if you are part of their Insider Beauty program or not, every time that you go to Sephora, you can receive 3 free samples. For traveling, I like to pick up 3 perfume samples. And you get to try out a few different scents. I think traveling is a perfect time to try out a new perfume scent. Make sure if you like it, if you don't like it, and what better way to do that is through a free little sample. So I have several here that I have kind of accumulated over the times of going to Sephora. And it gives me the opportunity to see if I really do like the scent before diving into the big purchase of the big size. So yes, that concludes my video today of what I pack when I go to travel. Comment down below if there is any products that you can't live without when you go on a big trip, or even just a weekend trip, or even just an overnighter. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe and share if you haven't already. Like always, I will put down below all the links for these products. And so I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.